Hi, it's Emily from WTI. I bet you can't guess what this is. Okay, I'm going to tell you. This is a portable toilet. Can you even believe that? Look at how compact it is. If you're a serious camper and you like to get off the grid and kind of out there in the middle of nowhere, but digging a hole to go to the bathroom is not your favorite thing, then you should definitely check out this portable toilet from kenvc. We got the XXL portable toilet, which probably makes it sound bigger than it is. Honestly, it means it extends to basically a normal toilet height. It's really easy to expand and lock, and when it's set up, it's really sturdy. It can support over 800 pounds. I also love that they included both compostable trash bags to line it and the gel that solidifies everything, so you don't have to worry about leakage or things spilling. We have a pop-up shower tent for our overlanding trailer that doubles as a private toilet area, which is really great when you're camping off the grid without facilities. We can set this up in there, but it's easy to take down and set out of the tent when we want to use it as a shower. It's really convenient to have this with us, and I find it much more comfortable than trying to just use the great outdoors. And so does my husband, as you can tell. This is such a nice part of any emergency or go bag kit as well, because you just never know. Because it's so strong and it has a cover over the seat, you can also double it as a stool for seating as well. If you'd like some peace of mind and you want to be able to go on the go, you should definitely check out this toilet. But that's my point of view.